What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. This is a day in the life of a trader who's sort of getting successful, you can tell. But yeah, I'm gonna take you through my day today and I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna be doing and how I'm gonna be doing the things I do in my usual day when I'm at home. So yeah, let's begin. Here you can see some charts. Here I've got the trading view chart, and here I've got my exchange chart, and I have gone through a new strategy, which includes, if you have seen my previous 2-3 videos, I have included all those confluences in a single strategy, and its win rate is awesome, guys. Its win rate is above 75%, and it is hitting you a minimum of 1:3 risk to reward, which is absolutely beautiful. I'm just backtesting my strategy over here, and here you can see, if you see, this is the Bitcoin chart, and yeah, I'm just backtesting some more strategies, and this is my broker. If you want the link, I'll leave it down in the description. So today's plans are simple. Just do some backtesting, trading, and try to by the way, I'm a new trader, and if you guys know, the most hard thing for a new trader is to save up enough capital to start trading enough so that he can support himself. And that's what I'm doing right now. I'm trying to find some jobs, I'm trying to find some internships I could do to probably make some money and save it up so that I could add it in my trading account. And once I do that, I add it in my trading account, I can start trading. Till then, I guess I should backtest my strategy, improve on my strategy, and look at all the confluences, losses, and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what I've been doing from yesterday. So I'll show it to you now. Guys, as you can see, this is my trading journal, or you can tell my personal diary, where I write about my emotions and stuff. And yeah, here you can see I was noting down all the real estate agencies near me where I can possibly ask for a part-time job or an internship, where I could go and ask them for an internship and hopefully save up some enough capital. Oh shit, my camera is bad, just a second. Yeah, what I was saying was, hopefully I get some part-time job or something so that where I can save up enough capital. Once I have like $1,000, I can then, I'm trying to save up $1,000 for trading. It isn't that I'm not gonna trade at all. I will keep adding trading capital, but in a smaller amount, like $40, $50, $2, $3, like that, because at the starting it's the most difficult phase. So I'm documenting my entire journey from making 0 rupees, literally zero money. I'm literally making zero right now. From making zero to getting a part-time job to then being a successful trader to then being, you'll see the whole journey on YouTube. It might take a year, it might take 2, but there's no backing off, guys. So I'm gonna meet you guys after I get some work done. So guys, it is currently 3:32 p.m. in India, and I mean, I'll be honest, I didn't do a lot from when I logged off the vlog, but I did backtest my strategy, and I'll show it to you guys. Look at this. I entered price, boom, take profit. It is about to hit my take profit. Like the stop loss is so tight that the risk to reward is absolutely insane. I'll show you the risk to reward. It's 1:6.3, guys, and it is not going to stop here. It's going to ride all the way up. So it's a beautiful risk to reward. So if you want a video on this strategy, make sure you leave a comment down below, and I will make a video on this strategy. And yeah, I'm thinking some ways to make some capital for my trading. If you guys have any ideas, also make sure to leave that also down below in the comments, and I will check the comments. It would help me a lot if you told some ideas how I could make money for my initial capital to trade. I mean, I want at least $1,000 so that I can trade. I can risk $100 and capture 1:6, 1:7, because my strategy, even though it forms a bit rare, even though it might form like once in a day or one trade in 2-3 days, it can provide 1:6, 1:7, 1:3 minimum. So if I risk 100 and I can make 3, 4, 5, 600 through that, which is gonna be insane. That risk to reward strategy, but it's rare trades. So yeah, I'm gonna update you guys in a bit, and yeah, no gym also. So let's see. I might go for a walk. I'll update you guys in a bit. This was an unexpected thing that happened with me. Yesterday, I went on some freelancing websites and I made my account so that I could start. As I told you guys, the hardest part of a trader is to save the initial capital. But yesterday I went on a freelancing website and I made my portfolio. What happened? I got few income clients from that. I didn't make any cash, but then I got few people from that who acted as if they were from that platform of Fiverr, okay, and they acted as if they were the actual people who wanted the service. So what happened was I got some chat where those people were like, we need your email to make the order because you're a new user and stuff. Since I was new to this, I didn't know that you had to not give emails. Well, I gave my email and then I got a mail saying that you got your first order. After that, I got an email saying open your link and verify your account so that you can get this. And this link looked so legitimate. It was so legitimate to see that it looked like the Fiverr website itself. And then it asked for my bank details, which I thought, okay, it might be a process, so let me give it. Okay, once I gave my bank details, this started to become a little creepy from here. They asked how much was in my account, the bank account, how much cash did it had, okay? And then they told if I have to verify my bank account to receive the payment, I'll have to add in 200 euros. That's equal to some 20,000 Indian rupees. Okay, they asked me to add that. Now that was very traumatizing for me because at night 1 o'clock, when you're trying to do something to succeed in your life and then you get scammed and then you leak your bank details by mistake without knowing it's a scam, bro, that is like the most heartbreaking thing you can ever go through. Then I immediately had to block my account. I had to remove my account. I had to freeze my bank account and I had to do all such stuff. Thing is, what do they get from scamming? I'll show you guys the Google mails and stuff what I got from them, and I also reported these scams. I mean, the same person DM'd me from 5 to 6 different IDs trying to prove that he is a real customer, but he was trying to just scam me out for 200 euros, that is 18 to 20,000. Bro, I mean, you just imagine how heartbreaking would a person be knowing that he lost 20,000 from his bank account in Indian rupees or 200 euros, you can tell. That's really heartbreaking. And then I had to stop my account and stuff, and then I'm slightly traumatized, I won't lie. I mean, this was the first time I went on some website like this. I made my account, I made also stuff. I actually thought I'd do it on Upwork also, but then after seeing this, I'm like, okay, I need to take a break from this. So I'm going to show you guys the scam so that if you are a freelancer on this sort of websites, then so you can make sure that you're safe from these sort of scammers, and then you don't end up losing any cash for no reason, and don't waste your time in such stuff. I mean, I'm not saying freelancing is a scam. I'm saying that be aware of such scammers on the freelancing websites. I'm going to show you guys the emails. So guys, here you can see I actually reported this scam after I got into it, and then I wrote a mail over here. Hello, the support team, I recently received a message asking to deposit 200 euros in my bank account, received a payment for an order. I want to confirm whether there's an official Fiverr procedure or it's a scam attempt, please check and stuff. And then I didn't get a reply. Yeah, so this is what I did. Your Fiverr account has been deactivated. As you request, a Fiverr account is deactivated. All your data will remain in the Fiverr system. You can request to reinstate your account within 12 months. After that, it will be automatically clean. I got, so over here you can see, if I open this project over here, it's taking me to some random website. Okay, it's saying security checks and stuff, verification pass stuff. Look at this stuff. Attacks on this site, you try to look at this, like literally this site is a scam, bro. I literally showed you. I'll look at this. It looks so like the who we actually I opened my account with, and look at this, bro. Like So yeah, I had to reset my Google account password and stuff, and then I had to block my ATM cards. I had to do a lot of stuff yesterday so that I can possibly get out of the scam. I mean, guys, if you're out there trying to do something, do that. But if you know it's a scam, just try to save yourself, because in a scam you can lose a lot of things. I've been there once. This is actually my second time I'm being scammed online. I mean, if you want the story of how I got scammed last time on on an attempt to make some money online. So I joined a part-time job, and then how they scammed me online. If you want to know that story as well, make sure you leave a like, and also I'm gonna read your comments, and I will make sure I'll make a story time on that. How I got scammed doing an online part-time job from a genuine website. To be honest, it is a genuine website. I mean, if you're an Indian, you know Intershala works. From Intershala, how I got scammed. So yeah. So guys, this was an unfortunate end to the video. I'm gonna meet you guys in the next one. Till then, peace out.